This section covers BigQuery IAM roles and authorized views to demonstrate managing access to datasets and tables. You will also get a chance to try this out in a lab. BigQuery uses Identity and Access Management, IAM, to manage access to resources and permissions that are granted at the dataset level. Tables, rows, and columns are child resources of datasets, meaning they inherit permissions from their parent dataset. It is not possible to grant permissions at the table, row, or column level. All tables in a dataset share the same permissions. A few of the BigQuery IAM roles are shown here. Notice how the role names are mapped to job functions such as BigQuery Admin or BigQuery Data Viewer. When using BigQuery, you can assign IAM roles to individual users or groups. It is always better to assign roles to groups, as it will be much lower operational overhead to manage groups than every user individually. The roles you assign provides the required access permissions to the dataset, for example, viewer, editor, or owner. By default, the user who created the dataset is the owner, but additional members can be given permissions including the owner role. Okay, so what if I want admins or super users to see all the data in a table and others to only see a subset of the data? The answer to this is authorized views. Views provide row or column level permissions to datasets. To create authorized views, create a second dataset with different permissions from the first. Add a view to the second dataset that selects the subset of the data you want to expose from the first dataset. In the first dataset, you then have to give the view access to the underlying data.